Okay, now to save to a file, so nmap -o n capital and put the IP address we want. Sorry, I have to put output.text, for example, and you can see that if I type here, we have output.text. So if I type output.text, yeah, you can see that all of the result will be here in this file. So we can use -o n capital like this. So let's increase the font size a little bit. So output.text, and here is the IP address, and we can put an instead of an X, and here instead of text XML. So if I type here cat output.xml, we can see that this time it is in the form of XML. Now it depends